Hello everyone, this is the modified Fender Pro Jr. It has a completely new circuit done with turret board construction, point-to-point wiring. It's an all octa lamp. It's got two 6L SL7 preamp tubes, one for the preamp, one for the phase inverter, and it has a pair of 6V6s. The transformers are the stock Pro Jr. transformers. The circuit is the affectionately known Phat Ass 16. So here's how it sounds. I'm using a Taylor T5Z. And cranked so we get some distortion.